Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to disable vibration in WhatsApp group notifications. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings and ensure a peaceful messaging experience. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Next, tap the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, tap on Notifications. Within the Notifications menu, locate the Groups section. Tap on Vibrate to access the vibration settings for group notifications. To disable vibration for group messages, simply select the option Off. This will stop your device from vibrating every time you receive a notification from a WhatsApp group chat. By customizing your notification settings in this way, you can stay connected with your friends and family on WhatsApp without being constantly interrupted by vibrations. Try out these steps today to take control of your WhatsApp notifications and enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.